Welcome guys. If you want to get magic wallpaper, oh sorry, let's I'm going to show you one more time. If you want to get this wallpaper on your Huawei Y6 2019, I'm going to show you how you can get it in the real easy way. So at the first I'm going to load this application and I'm going to show you how it apply step by step from the Play Store. So let's move for the Play Store. Right now we have to tap on the search pool and type here Magic Fluid. And we have to get the application from the Math Scientist and let's click install. Right now just click open. Click right here, tap to set as live wallpaper, and right now it's very important to change the settings because it is set up as a high resolution and the smartphone is not the flagship smartphone, so it cannot work properly with this wallpaper. So click here, tap I accept, go for the animated right here, and here we have to select the pine quality. Of course I recommend you to go lower for the medium low. I think that we can pick up the medium, and the simulation we can leave it on the medium also. And okay, let's click, and there is glow light shadow quality. I think that we can go for the low and just go back, click apply, and right now we can use this application, this cool wallpaper on our smartphone. And of course it drains a lot of battery, but it looks just awesome, right? So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.